What's going on, everybody? It's been a while since we made a car video. Sorry, we've got finals and school and life to deal with, and we only have 300 subscribers, so not a priority. But today, we're at Golden, Colorado at the new Cars and Coffee location. Let's go check it out. Holy crap.
You probably can't take this under like some canopies and drive-thrus.
We can play limbo with it, dude. So for those of you that have always wondered why ricers have such a bad reputation, we had a perfect example of this in the parking lot today. That's eventually going to get us in trouble at this location, just like the last one. So don't be these guys.
The Fitness Gram Pacer test is a multi-stage aerobic capacity test that progressively gets...